Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to download and install Messenger on Mac. So you can go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, App Store, right? If you're downloading on Mac and search for, let me search for Messenger. And if you have an updated version or more advanced version of Mac, you're going to be able to see Messenger from here, and you can just simply download it from your app store like you do it on your phone, and then just log in with your information, and they're going to send you a verification code, and all you gotta do is just keep your phone near and then just enter that verification code. Okay, another way is you can go ahead and browse. Really, just type Messenger in your Google and go ahead to the official website of Messenger, right? And now all you gotta do now is just log in with your Facebook account, Facebook credentials. Inside, you're gonna be able to contact people normally, like in your phone. So consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.